Negative thoughts can be a silent enemy, chipping away at your self-esteem and keeping you from reaching your full potential. If you've ever felt stuck or like you're not good enough, it's time to take a closer look at the power of your thoughts. In this video, we'll explore how your mindset shapes your reality and give you practical steps to replace negativity with positivity. Ready to transform your life and build unshakable self-esteem? Keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing content. Understanding the power of your thoughts. Have you ever noticed how your thoughts influence your actions? Your thoughts are more powerful than you might think. They shape your beliefs, your actions, and ultimately, your life. When you constantly think negative thoughts, you're sending a message to yourself that you're not capable, that you failed, or that you're not good enough. This negativity can spiral out of control, leading to low self-esteem and a life filled with limitations. But here's the good news. You have the power to change this. The first step is recognizing that your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas. They are the foundation upon which you build your life. Negative thinking, the silent saboteur. One becomes what one thinks. This saying captures the essence of how thoughts shape your identity. If you're always focusing on what's wrong or what you can't do, your self-esteem will naturally take a hit. You start believing that you're not worthy of success, happiness, or love. This mindset doesn't just affect your self-esteem. It impacts your relationships, your career, and your overall quality of life. The problem with negative thinking is that it's often a habit. You might not even realize how much you're engaging in self-criticism or doubt because it's become second nature. But like any habit, negative thinking can be broken. It starts with awareness and a commitment to change. How thoughts create your world. Your thoughts are like seeds. When you plant seeds of negativity, you grow a garden full of weeds, self-doubt, fear, and unhappiness. But when you plant seeds of positivity, you cultivate a thriving garden filled with confidence, joy, and success. The words you speak and the thoughts you entertain are constantly shaping your world and the experiences you have. Many people are stuck in old patterns of negative thinking without even realizing the damage they're doing to themselves. It can be a vicious cycle that can feel impossible to break. But here's the truth, you're not stuck. You have the power to change your thoughts, and when you do, your entire world can change with them. The path to positive change. When you begin to choose positive thoughts deliberately, something incredible happens. The negative ones start to fade away. They lose their power over you. This shift doesn't happen overnight, but you can rewire your brain with practice and persistence to focus on the good, the possible, and the empowering. And when you're willing to make these positive changes in your life, you'll find that the universe responds in kind. Opportunities will arise, doors will open, and you'll attract the people and resources you need to support your journey. It's as if the world is waiting for you to take that first step toward positivity. Powerful affirmations to reprogram your mind. To help you on this journey, here are some powerful affirmations to replace those negative thoughts with positivity. Learning from life's lessons. Every experience and person in my life teaches me valuable lessons that help me grow. Embracing growth. My life is a journey of growth, filled with opportunities to learn and renew myself. Choosing love. I approach others with love and understanding, knowing that everyone deserves to be valued. Visualizing a bright future. I see a future filled with happiness and success, and I'm creating that reality every day. Embracing change. I am open to change and ready to let go of anything that no longer serves me. These affirmations are more than just words. They are tools to help you reshape your mindset. Repeat them daily, and let them become the foundation of your new, positive self-image. Living in the present, the key to lasting change. The secret to lasting change lies in living in the present moment. When you focus on the here and now, you empower yourself to make better choices. Dwelling on the past keeps you trapped in old patterns, while living in the future creates anxiety about what might happen. The present is where your true power lies. By choosing positive thoughts today, you're setting the stage for a brighter tomorrow. Each day offers a new opportunity to do things differently, to break free from negativity, and to build a life filled with confidence and joy. Empowering yourself to change your destiny. Decide today that no matter what challenges come your way, you are worthy of love, success, and happiness. This decision is the first step toward reclaiming your power and changing your destiny. Remember, every day is a new chance to grow, to learn, and to become the best version of yourself. Your ability to adapt and embrace change is your greatest strength. When you open your heart to the possibilities around you, you'll start to notice the miracles that are already present in your life. These moments of grace and transformation are there for everyone, if you're willing to see them. As you move forward on this journey of positive thinking, remember that the power to change your life is in your hands. Every thought you choose today shapes your tomorrow. So, why not choose thoughts that uplift, inspire, and empower you? The future is yours to create. Start building it today. If you're ready to take control of your thoughts and boost your self-esteem, push the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on living your best life.